Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a piano only with 555 IC. So let's get started. To make this we need 555 IC. It's pin number 4 and 8. These two are connected to plus 5 volt. Pin number 1 is connected to ground and pin number 5 is connected with a capacitor and then it is connected to ground. Its value is 0.01 microfarad or 10 nanofarad. With the pin number 3 we have to connect one electrolyte capacitor. Its value is 4.7 microfarad. Its negative pin is connected to the one pin of a loudspeaker and another pin of the speaker is connected to ground. Here is pin number 6 and 2. These two pins are connected together. With them one 10 kilo ohms resistor is connected and here one capacitor is connected and then this capacitor is connected to ground. Its value is 0.1 microfarad or 100 nanofarad. With the pin number 7, 1 kilo ohms resistor is connected and this resistor is connected to plus 5 volt. Then we need push button switch. Then with this we will connect one resistor, another push button switch, another resistor, another push button switch, in this way you can add more push button switch. I am using 8 pieces of push button switch. Now this value is 2.2 kilo ohms. The second resistor is also 2.2 kilo ohms. Third one is 1 kilo ohm and then 2.2 kilo ohms. It is 1.5 kilo ohms. Another 1.5 kilo ohms. And the last one it is 680 ohms. If you change the value then the output sound will be different. This is IC 555. Now let's see this on the breadboard. IC 555, its pin number 4 and 8. These two are connected to positive rail. Pin 1 is connected to ground. Pin number 2 and 6, these both are connected together. Pin number 5 is connected to ground through 0.01 microfarad capacitor. In between ground and pin number 2, one piece of 0.1 microfarad capacitor is connected. Pin number 7 is connected to positive rail through 1 kilo ohms resistor. Put all the push button switch. I am connecting the jumper wires with the one pin of push button switch. With the last button I am connecting both of them. With the pin number 6 of the IC, a 10 kilo ohms resistor is connected. Now I will connect all the yellow jumper wires with this. Not this one, okay? Only one pin is common. Now this, it is connected to 10 kilo ohms resistor like this, okay? And the common yellow pins, this should be connected to pin number 7. Connect both the rails. Now this pin is open. 2.2 kilo ohms resistor in between this. Another 2.2 kilo ohms. Now it is 1 kilo ohms and then 2.2 kilo ohms. Now it is 1.5 kilo ohms. Again 1.5 kilo ohms. Now with the last one we have to connect 680 ohms. Positive pin of the capacitor is connected to pin number 3 and the negative pin is connected with the positive pin of the speaker, and the ground pin or the negative pin is connected to ground rail. So this is all about the circuit. Now I am connecting the power supply. Here it is negative and here it is positive. Now pressing the switch, second one, now I'll play the happy birthday tone. Now I'll play Tinkle Tinkle Little Star. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.